Hi you guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna make a Mexican salsa. For today's recipe, we're gonna be needing a few ingredients, not many. Let's start out with a little bit of cilantro. We got 3 Roma tomatoes, a quarter of an onion, 3 chiles serranos, and we got these little spicy guys over here, chile seco de árbol. Use whatever you guys have on hand. And grab your skillet, turn it as high as it goes, and go ahead and add your onion, chile serranos, and your Roma tomatoes. There's no need to add the dry ones, they're already toasted. Now the secret here is you want your tomatoes and serranos and onion to be as charred as possible. That's going to be the secret to our yummy salsa. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and blend our tomatoes, our onion, and our green chiles. Also at this stage you want to add your dried chiles. You guys have it, a Mexican smoky and spicy salsa. Okay, so now we are ready to add our cilantro. The cilantro, in my opinion, adds another depth of flavor that is so amazing. Now this is the time to add your salt. And this smoky and spicy Mexican salsa goes good with about everything that you can imagine. Today, I'm going to be trying it out on some gorditas de queso and carne asada. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am ready to try this salsa out. My mouth is watering. It smells so amazing in here.
We're gonna be able to put in our salsa, as you can see.
And let me tell you guys, these semitas de carne asada with cheese were oh so good. Especially what gave it that extra everything was the salsa that we made. I suggest you guys try out this salsa. It's one of my favorite recipes. Until next time, and thanks for watching.